Hello, I have created this video to help you with Google Classroom to give you that visual as well as talking you through what you need to know to sign into Google Classroom. So I've sent you a document called Google Classroom Sign In, and you can use this document to help you see what you should be seeing on your screen. A few tips that I've learned by helping students along the way this year is you need to use an internet browser that is not being used by another person in your home that has a Gmail account. So for example, I have a personal Gmail account that I use in Mozilla Firefox, and when I tried to use Firefox for Classroom Google, I continued to get errors. And so now I've downloaded Google Chrome and I use that for Google Classroom. You can also use Internet Explorer for Google Classroom as well. So pick a browser that you don't use for another Google account and leave that browser just for Classroom Google. It'll make your life a whole lot easier. So when you log in to Google Classroom, you should see a screen that looks like this where you type in your email. We have given your student an email account. It's their student ID number with their last name, and everybody says at idbamiddleschool.com. And so if you're not sure your student ID number, just go ahead and send me a K-mail and I can send that to you. Once you got that down, you're going to put that in and click Next. And again, this document I've sent to you. The password for everybody is IDBA Middle School. Go ahead and type that in. I would encourage you to click the Stay Signed In button and choose Sign In. Click Sign In. It should bring up an agreement for you where you can accept the agreement, and then it should take you to a screen that looks like this where you would choose Student. And then finally you should get to a screen that looks like this where you're going to join your first class. You click on the plus and you type in our class code. Our class code is P as in Paul, J as in Jack, 4490. It's not a 0, it's an O. So PJ4490. Once you've typed that in, you click Join, and it should bring you up to like a little wizard that you're now in. You can skip the tour or go through the tour, and I'm going to show you what ours looks like once you're logged in. So again, this help document has been sent to you and is available to kind of get you going. Here's a screen at the bottom of it of what it looks like once you sign in. So I thought I'd go ahead and just do a live sign in for you as well. So here I'm going to type in classroom.google.com and hit enter. All right, it'll bring up a screen like this. You click sign in. And we go ahead and enter in that email that we sent to you. Okay, and mine is just a demo account, so it looks different here, but remember this is where you're going to type in your student ID number, your last name at idbamiddleschool.com and click the word Next. Okay, and then your password is IDBA Middle School, and you type that in. And click Stay Signed In, click Sign In. And if this is your first time getting in, it's going to set up the things that I just went over on the last sheet where it asks you to sign the agreement and to add your classroom. But if you've already signed in before, it should take you right to the main screen. Okay, once you get to this screen, if you've already added some other students or some other classes, you should have some choices there, or you can just choose our class. It's going to open up your stream, and here is our bookwork assignment for this unit, Unit 3 bookwork. You can click on the title of any assignment, or you can click on the word open. It does the same thing. It opens it up in a new screen that actually lets you do something with it. So for today's bookwork assignment that's been assigned to you, you can see that it's due by Friday, October 30th. You can click on the word Add after you've gotten the files onto your computer and click Add File. The way that you get the files on your computer is you could take a picture with a smartphone or a digital camera and email it to yourself. Save it on your desktop in a folder called Math, or you can scan it if your computer has a scanner and scan it onto your computer and then save it in a file. I recommend that you save it in a file on your desktop. That's called Math. So I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to scroll down to my Math folder, and I'm going to choose both of the assignments 3.4 and 3.7 is what's due today, and I'm going to click Open. You can do them one at a time as well, and it takes just a moment for them to upload. Then you go down and click the button Upload, and once they're uploaded, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, once your files have uploaded, it'll take you to a screen where you click the word Turn In. That sends it over to me. It has you do it twice. Click Turn In twice, and then that sends it to me to grade. And it will come up with a little Done button for you, showing that you've done it and turned it in. All right, if you have watched this recording and need further help on your computer, would you please send me the password fractions? That just honors my time and your time, lets me know that you viewed the recording and you have a problem that is not addressed in the recording. Thanks for your help. Let me know if I can help you some more.